early this morning because I couldn't wait to share the news with you. Yes, it's true. After months and months of trying, well, at least months, Rob and I are expecting. Probably not what you're expecting, but what we're expecting. And let me show you who it is. Hey, Joe. Are you very excited about your new baby sister? I can see you are. Anyway, Joey's helping me out in here this morning. Yeah, that's right. Her name is Lexi. We, for a couple of months, have searched around looking for a baby pug. We were going to try and get a maybe 1 or 2 year old that someone was trying to rehome. We just weren't having any luck. We got scammed a little bit. We didn't get scammed, but we were tried to get scammed. Somebody tried to scam us, I should say, on Craigslist twice. We didn't fall for it. We waited around, but we wasted about a month and a half waiting on one guy. Anyways, that being said, we finally decided we're not going to the N-Scale convention this year. I don't think it's wise to go anywhere this year, and I don't think they're going to have it anyway. So we decided, well, we could probably, since we're going to be home and we're going to stay home, and we're not spending the money on the convention, that we could probably get a puppy. So we did some looking around here and found a place called Paws in the Valley. It's up near Albuquerque. They've been raising pugs for about 12 years. They just had a litter a month or so ago, a little over a month ago. And they had one female left. We were looking for a female. They had one female left that was available for adoption. And so we told them that we would take her. So we filled out all the paperwork, and we have put a deposit on her. And she'll be ready to come home. I think she's about 6 weeks right now. And she should be ready to come home with us. We'll have to go up and get her. Probably around the 20th of this month or so. She'll be all health checked. She'll have all of her shots. She's chipped. All that stuff. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the pictures of her, and we're really excited to get her, and Emma will have a baby sister. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this early morning video today, and everybody out there, please stay well and stay safe. It'll also give us something to do while we're stuck in the house or around the house with the whole virus thing. But anyway, I hope everybody survives this virus, and that can, and hope it goes well for everybody. And anyways, have a good day, and thanks for watching this crazy video.